Mijia Wireless Floor Cleaner 5 Pro Model F302 Review. Real steam and suction results. You mop the floor, step back, and still see streaks near the kitchen light. Or worse, you wipe up a spill and that faint sticky feeling stays under your shoes. It sounds small, but it adds up. I remember finishing a full Sunday clean, only to notice dried sauce marks along the baseboards. That quiet frustration lingers. The struggle is not just dirt. It is time, effort, and the constant feeling that floors are never fully clean. When you have pets, kids, or just a busy schedule, the pressure builds. You want something that handles dry debris, wet mess, and hygiene in one go, without turning cleaning into a workout. Does that sound like your week lately? Over time, that unfinished feeling drains more than energy. It eats your evenings. You vacuum first, then mop, then wait for floors to dry, all while balancing work, family, and that low-level tension that something was missed. The smell of damp cloth, the sight of hair wrapped around rollers, the heavy fog of, "I will deal with it later," becomes normal. I tried switching tools, scrubbing harder, even using hotter water, but stubborn grease near the stove and fine dust along edges kept coming back. And here's the thing. Most floor cleaners solve only half the problem. They vacuum or they mop, rarely both deeply. What you really want is control. Deep cleaning without doubling your effort. Cleaner floors that feel truly finished, not just temporarily wiped down. Then everything changed with the Mijia Wireless Floor Cleaner 5 Pro, Model F302. Don't just pick any floor cleaner. Make sure it has 160 degrees Celsius direct steam injection so you never suffer stubborn grease and hidden bacteria buildup again. This model combines 26,000 pascals of suction with high-temperature steam, so it vacuums debris while breaking down grime at the same time. The 100 degrees Celsius boiling water self-cleaning system washes the roller after each use, followed by hot air drying in about 5 minutes. That means less manual rinsing and no lingering odors. And the 180-degree flat lay design lets you reach under beds and sofas without kneeling. Can you imagine finishing in one pass instead of 3? After consistent use, the biggest shift is rhythm. Cleaning feels linear instead of layered. An appliance reviewer noted that the 160 degrees Celsius steam system dissolves stubborn dirt, while the 26,000 pascal suction lifts both wet and dry debris in one movement. An industry analyst highlighted the 400 RPM roller and TÜV-certified anti-hair tangling system as a meaningful advantage for pet owners. One homeowner shared that the 40-minute runtime covered nearly 300 square meters without recharge, and the floors dried quickly thanks to the 5-layer water control system. I will admit one limitation. At 220 volts and with voice prompts in Chinese, international users may need to check compatibility. Still, the central bidirectional power assistance reduces push and pull strain noticeably, especially in larger spaces. Instead of scrubbing, you guide it. Instead of rinsing rollers by hand, the base handles boiling water cleaning. If your goal is fewer tools and more control, this system begins to make practical sense. Let's talk about what that means for you. The Mijia Wireless Floor Cleaner 5 Pro, Model F302, turns floor care from a multi-step chore into one streamlined process. You gain 160 degrees Celsius steam sterilization, 26,000 pascal suction, self-cleaning maintenance, and coverage up to 340 square meters in a single charge. Thousands of users across hard floor homes already rely on this style of all-in-one floor cleaner for faster, more hygienic results. If you are ready to simplify your cleaning routine without sacrificing performance, the affiliate link is in the description and pinned comment. Take a closer look and see if it fits your home rhythm.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.